Alright, after we learn about the area formula of the right triangle, rectangle, and square. Now, we're gonna dive into a practice problems where we actually decompose a polygon into right triangle, square, or rectangle and apply the area formula to determine the area of each shape and then combine it to find the area of the polygons. So now I want each of you to take out a piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler with centimeter measurement on it, and an eraser, and put everything in front of you on your table. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do it, to get everything, every supply that we need to solve the problem. All right, raise your hand if you have everything in front of you. Good. Now we're gonna start. First, on your paper, I want each of you to draw a horizontal line and measure it as 12 centimeters. Starting from 0 centimeter, go all the way to 12 centimeters. Raise your hand if you are done. Good. Next, we're gonna draw two lines that is perpendicular to our horizontal line. From one point, draw a perpendicular line and measure it at 6 centimeters. Do the same for the other side. Important, make sure you draw a perpendicular line to the original line that we have. Raise your hand if you need help. Good. Raise your hand if you're all done. Good. So, one question. Who can tell me what is the measurement of this angle? Yes, 90 degrees. Why? Yep, because two perpendicular lines form a 90-degree angles. So keep that in mind. These two angles are 90 degrees. Next, you're gonna draw a line that is perpendicular to this line right here and measure it as 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Good. Raise your hand if you're done. Good. Next, from this point, draw a line that is perpendicular to the 8 centimeter line and measure it as 6 centimeters. This line would be 6 centimeters. Raise your hand if you're done. Good. Our last step is you guys just connect these 2 points together. This point and this point together to form a line segment. You don't need to measure the length of this line segment because we don't need that. Just connect these 2 line points for me, please. All right, now we see that we have a closed polygon, but it is a weird looking polygon that is do not fall into either right triangle, rectangle, or square. It looks familiar, it looks similar, but it is not one of the shape that we just learned today. So what we could do is decompose this polygon into like smaller part. So each part look like a rectangle, triangle, or square. So where do you think you can draw a dashed line to make it become either triangle, rectangle, or square? Someone told me that you can draw a line right here, which is fine. You can do that. So if you draw a line right here, this shape still look not familiar to us. So we have to do one more step, that you create a line right here. So now you have a rectangle, another rectangle, and a triangle. But our purpose, our point is to limit the time we draw a line. So for this problem, all you have to do is just draw a dashed line right here. So it would create a triangle and a rectangle. Why do I know that to draw a dashed line right here? Because for the original polygon, we see this part look very similar to a triangle, but it's missing one side. So our job is to draw that side to create a triangle. So on your paper, draw a dashed line right here for me, please. Raise your hand if you're done. Good. So now we know that this is a triangle, but this triangle is special. So who can tell me what is special about this triangle? Yes, we see that this angle is 90 degrees because these two angles are complementary. So this angle is also 90 degrees. A triangle that has a 90-degree angle is called a right triangle. So now we know this triangle is a right triangle. Keep that in mind. And what other shape do you see? Someone tell me that it is a rectangle. Why do you think it is a rectangle? Yes, so as we can see, this is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and it's already have 3 90-degree angle. This is 90-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 90, because these are formed by perpendicular lines. So these 3 angles are 90 degrees. So the sum of the angle inside a quadrilateral is 360. So this angle must be 90 degrees. So that the sum can be 360 because 90 degrees plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. And plus another 90 is 360. So a quadrilateral that have 4 right angles is called a rectangle. Yes, that is how we prove this is a rectangle. Good job, good job. So now our job is to find the area of this right triangle and the area of this rectangle. All right, a quick reminder. Area formula for the right triangle is, someone told me, yes, 1/2 base times height. And for area, to find area of a rectangle is length times width. Yes. You guys can write down this area on the side of the paper so you remember to use it. All right, now first, we're gonna find the area of this right triangle. But we're missing this side. We don't know the measurement of this side yet. So who can tell me how do you find the measurement of this? Yes, we know that this is a rectangle. From what being proved, this side is 12 centimeter. This is already 8 centimeter. So what is left here? Yes, we take 12, subtract 8, we get 4. So this is 4 centimeter. This size of the triangle is 4 centimeters. So who can tell me the area formula of the right triangle one more time? It is 1/2 base times height. What is our base? 1/2. Base is 4 centimeters. This is our base of the right triangle. I hope from now you are confident to determine the base and the height of the right triangle. Our height is 6 centimeters. 6 right here. Equal 1/2. 4 times 6 equal 24. And 1/2 of 24 is 12. Sorry. 1/2 of 24 is 12 centimeter square. Yes. Keep in mind that the unit of the area is centimeter square, meter square, kilogram square. All right, our next step is to find the area of this rectangle. Who can tell me the area formula of the rectangle? Is length times width. Yeah. What is our length? 12 centimeter, and our width is 6. 12 times 6 equals 72. What is the unit? Centimeters square. Yes. So now we have the area of this right triangle and the area of this rectangle. How do we find the area of the whole polygon that include this right triangle and this rectangle? Pretty simple, right? Yes, we just added 2 areas to find the sum, the whole area of this shape. So area of a polygon is 12 plus 72 equal 84 centimeter square. Good job. So, any question about this problem? Raise your hand if you think you feel confident doing this kind of problem on your own. Because for your homework, for your exam, for your quiz, I'll just give similar problem to this, where you just draw a dashed line, 1 or 2, to decompose it into like either right triangle, rectangle, or square, and apply the area formula to find the area. Raise your hand if you think you still need more explanation on how to decompose the polygon or apply the area. All right, I'll see those who need more explanation after class. So I've explained more on detail on how to do that, and I'll give you plenty of practice problems so you can practice on your own. Good?